Welcome to Digitalize Me, your gateway to digital marketing world. Discover the secrets of digital marketing, tech innovations, and more. Join us on this thrilling journey to conquer the digital world. Hit that subscribe button and let's get started at Digitalize Me. Let's start with a detailed overview about digital marketing and its impacts, strategies, and more. In today's fast-paced and interconnected world, digital marketing has emerged as a cornerstone of modern business strategies. The advent of the internet and the widespread use of mobile devices have fundamentally transformed how businesses engage with their audience and promote their products and services. This comprehensive overview will delve into the fundamental aspects of digital marketing, including its definition, importance, key components, and specific strategies. We will also explore the significance of social media marketing and the benefits of free digital marketing courses in preparing aspiring marketers for success in this dynamic field. Did you ever thought, what is digital marketing and its importance? Digital marketing, also known as online marketing or internet marketing, refers to the use of digital technologies and online channels to promote brands, products, and services. This vast umbrella term encompasses a wide array of strategies, tools, and tactics that businesses utilize to reach their target audience in the digital realm. At the heart of digital marketing lies the quest for improved customer engagement, lead generation, and ultimately increased conversions. The importance of digital marketing cannot be overstated, as it has revolutionized the marketing landscape in several ways. 1. Wider reach. Traditional marketing methods often have geographical limitations, but digital marketing transcends these boundaries. Businesses can connect with a global audience, exponentially increasing their market reach and potential customer base. 2. Cost effectiveness. Compared to traditional advertising, digital marketing often offers more cost-effective solutions. Smaller businesses and startups can leverage digital channels to compete with larger competitors without requiring massive marketing budgets. 3. Personalization. One of the greatest strengths of digital marketing is its ability to personalize campaigns based on user behavior and preferences. Through data analytics and consumer insights, businesses can tailor content and promotions to individual consumers, increasing the likelihood of conversion. 4. Measurable results. Unlike traditional marketing, which can be challenging to measure accurately, digital marketing provides detailed and real-time metrics. Businesses can track the performance of their campaigns, assess their return on investment, ROI, and make data-driven decisions to optimize their marketing strategies. 5. Real-time interaction. Digital marketing facilitates immediate interaction between brands and consumers. Businesses can respond to customer queries, feedback, and concerns in real time, fostering meaningful connections and enhancing customer satisfaction. Let's discuss the components of digital marketing. Digital marketing comprises various interconnected components, each serving a unique purpose in achieving marketing objectives. Let's explore some of the key components of digital marketing. 1. Search engine optimization, SEO. SEO is the practice of optimizing a website's content and structure to improve its visibility in search engine results. By targeting relevant keywords, creating high-quality content, and optimizing technical aspects, businesses can attract organic traffic and increase their online presence. 2. Content marketing. Content marketing involves creating and distributing valuable, informative, and engaging content to attract and retain a target audience. Content can take various forms, such as blogs, articles, videos, infographics, and podcasts, catering to different audience preferences. 3. Social media marketing. Social media marketing focuses on leveraging social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn, and TikTok to connect with the target audience. Brands can engage users through interactive content, contests, influencer partnerships, and social ads, fostering brand loyalty and recognition. 4. Email marketing. Email marketing involves sending targeted emails to potential and existing customers. It is an effective way to nurture leads, build customer relationships, and promote products, services, or special offers. 5. Pay-per-click advertising, PPC. PPC advertising allows businesses to display their ads on search engines and social media platforms. Advertisers only pay when a user clicks on their ad, making it a cost-effective way to drive targeted traffic to their websites. 6. Influencer marketing. Influencer marketing relies on collaborating with influencers and content creators who have a substantial following in a specific niche. Influencers promote products and services to their audience, leveraging their credibility and reach to drive brand awareness and sales. 7. Affiliate marketing. In affiliate marketing, businesses partner with affiliates who promote their products or services on their websites or social media channels. Affiliates earn a commission for each sale or lead generated through their unique tracking links. 8. Online public relations, PR. Online PR involves managing a brand's online reputation, interacting with online media, handling crisis situations, and generating positive media coverage to enhance brand image. 9. Analytics and data insights. Data analytics plays a crucial role in digital marketing. By using various analytics tools, businesses can gather and analyze data from different digital marketing channels. This data-driven approach enables marketers to make informed decisions, identify trends, and optimize their marketing strategies. Digital marketing strategies. Digital marketing strategies are tailored plans that businesses develop to achieve their specific marketing goals. These strategies can vary depending on the target audience, industry, and available resources. Some popular digital marketing strategies include 1. Conversion rate optimization, CRO. CRO focuses on improving the website's user experience to increase the percentage of visitors who complete desired actions, such as making a purchase or filling out a form. Optimizing landing pages, CTAs, call to actions, and checkout processes can lead to higher conversion rates. 2. Social media advertising. Social media platforms offer robust advertising features that allow businesses to run paid ad campaigns to target specific demographics. By utilizing audience segmentation and precise targeting, brands can increase brand visibility and generate leads. 3. Search engine marketing, SEM. SEM involves running paid search ads on search engines like Google and Bing. Advertisers bid on specific keywords, and their ads appear prominently in search results when users search for those keywords. SEM provides instant visibility and can be an effective way to drive targeted traffic to a website. 4. Remarketing and retargeting. Remarketing or retargeting involves displaying targeted ads to users who have previously visited a website but did not complete the desired action, such as making a purchase. This strategy aims to re-engage potential customers and bring them back to the website to convert. 5. Mobile marketing. As mobile usage continues to rise, optimizing marketing efforts for mobile devices has become essential. Mobile marketing includes tactics like mobile responsive website design, mobile apps, SMS marketing, and mobile advertising. This was an overview about digital marketing and its strategy and effects. Now, what does it really mean, or we should conclude? Digital marketing has revolutionized the way businesses interact with their audience, market their products and services, and drive growth. Its significance lies in its ability to transcend geographical barriers, offer cost-effective solutions, personalize campaigns, provide measurable results, and foster real-time interaction. Key components of digital marketing, including SEO, content marketing, social media marketing, email marketing, PPC, influencer marketing, and more, work together to achieve marketing objectives. Social media marketing, as a vital subset of digital marketing, enables brands to engage with their audience on a personal level, enhance brand recognition, and leverage influencers to amplify their message. It offers a vast array of benefits, from wide audience reach and enhanced engagement to the promotion of user-generated content and brand visibility. As businesses continue to embrace digital marketing, the demand for skilled professionals in this field is on the rise. Aspiring marketers can equip themselves with valuable knowledge and skills through free digital marketing courses available online. These courses offer comprehensive education, keep learners updated with industry trends, provide practical application opportunities, and foster valuable networking connections. In conclusion, digital marketing's ever-evolving nature requires continuous learning and adaptation. By leveraging the power of digital marketing, businesses can not only survive but thrive in the dynamic digital realm, building lasting relationships with their customers and driving sustainable growth. Aspiring marketers who seize the opportunity to learn and master digital marketing are well positioned to make a significant impact in the industry and contribute to the success of businesses worldwide. If you found this digital journey as exciting as we did, don't miss out on the next one. Click that subscribe button now so you never miss a moment of our latest digital marketing insights, tech reviews, and innovation updates. Stay ahead in the digital game with Digitalize Me, and together, let's unlock the boundless opportunities of the digital world. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next episode.